Welcome to Home Garden Inspiration, your ultimate source for home gardening ideas and inspirations. Today we are exploring the charming world of stone-adorned mini ponds and primitive-style mini gazebos for English cottage garden decoration. These rustic elements bring a sense of history and serenity to any outdoor space while providing a sanctuary for local wildlife. If you enjoy these ideas, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more garden magic. A small pond lined with moss-covered pebbles creates an instant focal point in a cottage garden. The soft textures of the moss contrast beautifully with the rugged, weathered stones. It provides a peaceful watering spot for local birds and beneficial insects throughout the seasons. Tucked near a brick wall, this feature adds depth and a vintage feel to your yard. Integrating weathered driftwood into a mini gazebo design enhances the primitive aesthetic of your landscape. The silvery wood tones blend seamlessly with the surrounding flora and climbing vines. This structure serves as a perfect backdrop for fragrant climbing roses or cascading jasmine. Positioned near the home's facade, it offers a cozy spot for enjoying a quiet afternoon tea. Creating layers with flat slate stones allows water to trickle gently down into a mini pond basin. The sound of moving water adds a wonderful sensory dimension to your English cottage garden. Each piece of slate is handpicked to ensure a natural and unrefined look that mimics nature. It stands proudly against a stone garden wall for a cohesive and high-end landscape design. A mini gazebo crafted from woven willow branches exudes an old-world charm that is hard to replicate. This breathable structure provides dappled shade while maintaining a lightweight and organic appearance. It is an eco-friendly choice that matures beautifully alongside your perennial flowers and shrubs. Set it near a rustic garden fence to create a secret hideaway for meditation. Limestone blocks stacked around a circular pond offer a sturdy yet elegant look for your garden. The pale stone reflects sunlight, effectively brightening the shadier corners of your outdoor living area. Water lilies can thrive in this protected environment, adding pops of vibrant color to the water. This feature looks stunning when placed next to a traditional cottage exterior or stone facade. A tiny gazebo with a miniature thatched roof brings a touch of the British countryside to your back lawn. The organic roof material provides excellent insulation and a unique, picturesque silhouette against the sky. It acts as a quaint architectural highlight amidst lush greenery and colorful flower beds. Pair it with a classic wooden fence to complete the rustic and cozy look. Using smooth river rocks to build a shallow pond creates a serene and tactile environment. These stones vary in color, providing a natural palette that shifts beautifully with the changing weather. The shallow depth makes it safe for small animals and very easy for homeowners to maintain. Place it along the home facade to welcome guests with the calming spirit of nature. Thick logs used for the pillars of a mini gazebo give a sense of permanence and strength. The unrefined bark adds a primitive texture that complements wild, overflowing garden beds perfectly. This structure is ideal for housing a small garden bench or a meaningful stone sculpture. It fits perfectly into a corner where the garden wall meets the edge of the house. Wide flagstones placed around the pond's edge provide a stable and inviting path for garden exploration. These flat stones are perfect for sitting on a warm afternoon to watch the ripples in the water. The irregular shapes emphasize the handmade and authentic nature of the cottage garden style. It bridges the gaps between the structured fence and the fluid organic movement of the water. A base made of rounded cobblestones gives your mini gazebo a grounded and historic feel. These stones withstand the elements while adding a timeless aesthetic that never goes out of style. The gaps between stones can be filled with creeping thyme for added fragrance and greenery. This sturdy foundation anchors the garden feature near the main house facade for a balanced look. Surround your stone pond with a dense ring of native wildflowers for a secret garden vibe. The vivid colors of the blooms will reflect beautifully on the still surface of the water. This approach encourages biodiversity and supports local pollinators like bees and butterflies. It looks particularly enchanting when set against a weathered wooden fence or a vine-covered wall. A miniature timber-framed gazebo uses traditional joinery techniques for a truly primitive and artisanal look. The dark wood beams contrast strikingly with the lighter colors of the garden's natural stonework. It provides a structured frame through which to view the rest of your blooming cottage garden. Position it so it frames a perfect view of the surrounding garden wall and foliage. Sandstone's warm and earthy hues bring a gentle glow to your mini pond area. The smooth surface of the stone is pleasant to touch and remarkably easy to keep clean. As water fills the basin, it creates a mirror-like surface that reflects the sky and trees. It provides a soft visual transition from the home's facade to the vibrant greenery of the yard. This primitive style uses mud and twigs to create a historical-looking garden structure that stands out. It serves as a unique conversation piece that honors ancient and traditional building techniques. The earthy tones perfectly match a stone-adorned pond located nearby in the landscape. Place it next to a stone garden wall for an authentic and rustic cottage atmosphere. Combining both the stone pond and the mini gazebo creates a magical sanctuary in your backyard. The harmony between stone, wood, and water defines the essence of the English cottage style. Every element works together to transport you to a simpler and more peaceful time. We hope you enjoyed these inspirations, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more garden magic.